Hey now, what's going on? Welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for dropping in to hang with me for a bite. Got some corn dogs and I got some fries. Yo, why are they getting so small? I mean, look at the size of my hand and then look at... Yeah, they used to be way bigger. They really did. At least they're still good. Gee whiz. Alright, what's everybody up to? Put some ketchup on there, my fries. Oh, I just got done, it's still hot. I got a 0 sugar soda to sip on. Cheers. So yeah, these look at the poor little tiny hot dog in there. Big business. Today's Wednesday. I didn't go to the thrift store today. Do any retail therapy. I got this I think last month sometime, this glass tray for like $1.50. I think it's so cute, and it has the little emblems have butterflies in them. It has butterfly in the middle, and I love butterflies. This wasn't my intended meal for Thursday's video, but I just didn't feel like fixing anything else, and this was the quickest. So here you have it. Should have brought the salt in here. What are you eating today? It's lunchtime. This is my lunch. I hope you're enjoying your lunch while I'm enjoying mine. What are you eating on? I want some different stuff, but I don't know what I want. water to take my vitamins. Sometimes this is the best part. The little burnt crunchy. I ate it. These are Oreida fries. So as I was saying before the battery conked out, these are the Oreida fries from Walmart in the red bag. I went to Aldi's to get the red bag fries because I keep hearing that they taste like McDonald's fries. So I still haven't been able to get any. I guess they sell out a lot. So, yeah. I got these from Walmart. Ooh, I usually get the seasoned fries, but I figured I'd take a break this time. Get something different. I should have a little cheese dip on the side. Because these thick cut fries are kind of dry. Bite. Come on. I'm not keeping track of my time. I don't know if I've been on here for 10 minutes. Because since I had to change my battery, the time started over. Excuse me. So here's the big butterfly right there. Oh. Alright, I don't have nothing else to talk about, so Thank y'all so much for watching. Like this video if you like the video. Comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Thank you so much again. Can't thank you enough for watching my little content. And I will see y'all in the next one. Until then, stay safe. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Bye-bye.